Which method can make you more money starting with just $100? Solana meme coin trading or Solana day trading? Today we're about to find out. Now, if you've never heard of day trading before, the idea is very simple. Instead of trying to find the next 100x meme coin, you're simply trying to predict whether Solana's price will go up or down and make money from that. To test which approach is actually better, I deposited $100 into my meme coin trading platform and $100 into my day trading exchange. The rules are simple. Same starting capital, same amount of time, and the highest final balance wins. But here's what makes this experiment even more interesting. I've traded meme coins for years, but I've never day traded before. Not even once. Which means right now you and I are basically on the same level. Maybe day trading is easier than everyone thinks. Maybe meme coins completely destroy it. Or maybe I lose both accounts and look like a complete retard. There's only one way to find out. Let's see if we can make some money. Alright, this is my day trading exchange. I have exactly 100 USDT on my balance as I promised. I'm gonna be using KuCoin. Why? Because I want to. You can literally use any exchange you like. Anything available in your country, anything that has a license, anything that's trustworthy, you can use. I also did my homework and realized that $100 at this moment is around 1.3 Solana. So this is exactly how much I deposited into my meme coin trading platform. But let's forget about meme coins for now and focus on day trading. Before I place a single trade, let me explain exactly what I'm doing so that we're on the same page. Well, I'm gonna try to explain exactly what I'm doing because I'm not an expert in day trading, let's put it that way. So as I already mentioned, the asset that I'm going to be trading is Solana. To start trading, just open your exchange, any exchange, Bybit, KuCoin or whatever. Click on futures, deposit some USDT and then click trade. Then here I guess we have to select Sol USDT perp. Because from what I understand, we have to be trading futures with a leverage to make it competitive with meme coins.
It's good to be competitive.
Because you know, like if it's just a normal day trading scenario, we have to wait here for like 3-4 hours for it to shift by like 2%, we're gonna make like $5. No, we want to risk. We want to make money today. But obviously, guys, this is not financial advice. I'm just risking my own money so that you don't have to. There's a really high possibility that today I'm gonna lose everything. Now, the reason I'm trading Solana instead of Bitcoin, Ethereum, or gold is because I'm gonna be trading meme coins that are built on Solana. So this is basically a battle between trading the ecosystem itself and the meme coins inside it. And now the leverage. I already said that I'm gonna be using leverage to make it more exciting, to make it more risky, and to make the challenge fit inside this 1 hour. I'm going to be using the leverage of 25x, which means every dollar I have controls roughly $25 worth of Solana. So for example, here, let's say I'm gonna long Solana, meaning that I'm gonna bet on it to go up. So if Solana does move in my favor with leverage, I'll make much more money than without it. But if Solana moves against me, if it moves down in this case, I'm gonna lose money much faster. As I previously mentioned, my knowledge in day trading is very similar to my grandmother's, so the only thing I know how to do is marking the range. And I'm not even sure if I'm doing it properly. I'm just drawing lines that I saw other traders draw on Instagram and pretend that I know something. So let's open the 1 hour chart. We select the line tool and we mark the 2 highest peaks. Here they are. Boom. So far it's looking good. And then we mark the 2 lowest peaks that are aligned. I guess they're here. Now we make the lines longer. From what I know, the top line is called resistance and the bottom line is called support. According to ChatGPT, the goal of this amazing strategy is not to buy anything in the middle. We buy only the breakouts. So as we see, there is a breakout at the moment below the support, meaning that I should short this now. I mean, I think I'm already late in shorting this. But as you can see here, the price tried climbing back up, but it didn't succeed. So I guess let's just short this shit. I'm not gonna overthink it because even if I do overthink it, nothing will change because I don't know shit about day trading. If you disagree with me, if you disagree with my analysis, if you disagree with my lines, if you disagree with my judgment, make sure to comment and tell me why. Please, guys, teach me. All right, to short it, we click market, select the amount. In our case, we select 100%, no risk, no worry, and press short. Boom, order filled. Okay, so our estimated liquidation price is 76.5, meaning that if the price reaches 76.5, which is alarmingly close, we're gonna lose all our money. But if it keeps going down, we're gonna keep printing. And we're already up $2.7, 3.3, guys. Maybe in 1 hour, we're gonna become millionaires. Probably not. We're gonna find out after we trade meme coins. We are eating. We're up 7.5, like 5 minutes in. Guys, I might retire from meme coins. Right, jokes aside, let's close this tab because I want it to be a surprise. When we come back after our meme coin trading session, it's gonna be exciting. Now, let's set the timer to exactly 1 hour as I promised. Not more, not less. The timer starts now. Hopefully our day trading on the side is slowly retiring my parents. But let's lock in. Kosher, Shalom, Startup Nation, all-time high. What the fuck is this? Apparently, Netanyahu said, I'm not a stockbroker, I'm not giving tips, but I would say buy anything in Israel because Israel is going up. That is a good narrative. I'm not gonna lie. Like, literally, a prime minister is saying that Israel is a good investment. And this is all the Israeli words that Dev probably knows. The token info is alright as well here. Should we eat this dip? Fuck it, let's throw in 0.5. What a buy, guys. What a buy. Right after I bought, fell to like 23. Not a big deal, only down 0.06. Obviously, when it reaches, if it reaches 40k, instantly selling it off. But this dip was just too sexy for me not to ape. You know what? Let me set a stop loss. Oh, yeah. That was where I wanted to set my stop loss. Yeah, let's say if it goes to 15. Oh, it went to 15. No stop loss needed. 0.2 down. It was worth a risk, definitely. The adrenaline bear. This bear has been going insanely viral after being let loose around the streets of Fukushima. 2 red flags that I see so far. A really old post. The post is like almost 6 hours old. And also the coin is already 12 minutes old. So I would probably stay away from a coin like that. Animals are always respected in the meme coin space, especially if they have a lot of articles about them, but they're too fucking old. This is the biggest cat trend I've seen in a minute. The biggest meme coin this cycle was dog with hat, and now we have cat with pants going insanely viral. I think I found the original post, and it has a lot of likes, 300k and 9.5 million views. But I just have a feeling that this shit bonded before. Definitely. Pet in pants, probably a cat in pants. Cat in pants. Oops. Like 10 of these coins, or fuck this coin. Bro, there's nothing to buy. Yeah, they also found a bear coin in my Discord. By the way, you can join it through the link in the description. It's free, and you'll find people to trade with. Apparently, they joined all the AI logos, and that's what they got. I highly doubt that it's true. Octopus, the giant octopus. Explain it to the people that haven't seen this narrative before. What the fuck? Guy, like devs these days, man, they're just... I wanted to say unemployed. Obviously, they're unemployed. They're fucking unemployable. A dog named Shadow died trying to get back to the person he loved. Oh, this is the most ChatGPT sounding sentence I've ever heard. He wasn't thinking about procedures. Dash. He was trying to reach his owner. NewsNFTs.com. What the fuck is this website? I only have 30 minutes left, so maybe we throw in 0.3. Okay, whatever. Down 0.3 in half an hour. Man, I really hope our day trading is doing well at the moment. I'm so excited to check it, but I can't. I mean, I can, but I'm not going to. I want to be as surprised as you guys are. Alright, a pump fund tweet. Let's throw in 0.5. We have only 20 minutes left, so I guess we have to do something about it. Top blast here. Big mistake. Don't do that. But if you see at the bottom here, it says, this shit gas twin. Whatever it may mean. As we all know, pump fund tweets have the power to pump, even if it's just a fucking guy eating pickle pump fund logos. But yeah, I think it's not gonna recover from 3k, so I guess let's just sell it off. We're down around 0.7, which is the result of our aggressive trading. But if we're trading aggressively on the day trading with a 25x leverage, we have to trade aggressively here as well. We went to 15 million on Radium, and it's now time to send the frog even higher on pump fund. 8IG. 8IG, yes, that's the one. I mean, okay, fuck it. We have nothing to lose. 0.5 here, 16k entry. That's it. We don't have anything else. We have to hope that this coin is gonna do well, because as you saw, nothing is fucking migrating. This one is at least pumping a bit. At least we're getting some dopamine. You know what? We're not gonna play by the book. We were supposed to sell like 10 here in the first pump. That's what I usually do. I sell 25 or 10 around here and then wait for the next pump. But in this case, I'm gonna hold it, because what the fuck is the point of selling 10% of a 0.5 sold buy? This guy are claiming that they went to 15 plus million on Radium, and they have been consistent. They have been posting. We have 15 minutes left, and for these 15 minutes, I'm just gonna hold this coin. Let's see how it goes. Nice. We're gonna go look at the day trading results. Let's see what happened there. 3, 2, 1. $43. Let's close it. Boom. 40 bucks. We didn't do shit. I drew some random ass lines and we made 40 bucks. This video showed that meme coins sometimes are not the best way. When the market is cooked, I would personally look into day trading. Comment down below if you want to see more trading experiments, and if you do, tell me which trading experiments you want to see. I read all of your comments and I really appreciate your feedback. Hope to see you in the next video. Bye.